Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, June 23rd. Futures back in positive territory once again, looking to bounce back after we gave back most of the strength we saw early in the session yesterday. Still holding on to solid gains here so far in the pre-market. 0.8 for the NASDAQ leading the way. The Dow up 0.5%, S&P 0.6%. Fed Chair Powell on watch again. He'll wrap up the second of 2 days of public testimony in front of Congress once again today. When asked yesterday about the possibility of a 100 basis point increase coming up in July, he said, nothing is off the table. That kind of kicked off the selling yesterday, brought the market back to break even on the session when all was said and done. Few things we're watching to kick things off this morning. There's a look at the daily chart for the SPY yesterday. We did get back up around that 380 mark before coming off a little bit late in the day. Crude oil as well on watch this morning, slightly higher on the morning so far after another very volatile session yesterday. NIO and Li Auto both on watch. Earlier in the week, we got that, or I guess it was late last week, we got the unveiling of NIO's new SUV, Li Auto. Their turn now. Their SUV hits the model or hits the market coming up later this month. So both Li Auto and NIO higher this morning. Nice move for Snowflake here in the pre-market, up on a JP Morgan upgrade, going to overweight on Snowflake. Huge day yesterday for Snowflake. Tech stocks remain on watch as well. Number of minor headlines for Meta late in the session yesterday. Meta back in positive territory along with Apple shares this morning. And we'll have a look at Rite Aid as well. Nice report for RAD. Their forecast better than expected. Also, should be an exciting day, guys. Make sure you grab the watch list on its way out to you right now. Grab the link at the bottom of the screen. You can use the QR code as well. We will see you shortly. Have a great Thursday on TraderTV.Live.